Thank you for tuning in. This is my teeny bopper gift box. I decided I wanted to create something for the younger teens, so I put this box together. The box came from Temu, and what I put in it was some shower gel, bath balm, a perfume pad, and 3 lip balms. I also put some cotton candy and some truffles in this box. I left the box open so the back would stand up. And I will insert this into a bag. I think that this is a very cute gift for kids. And like I said, this is designed for the younger teens who are balling on a budget. You all know how these teens are. So we don't want to leave them out for the Valentine's season. I think this turned out beautifully. Tell me what you think down in the comments. Anything you would change, something you would do differently. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for tuning in to the Crafty Corner, where you're crafting with Katrina. Bye-bye.